All right, so this is going to be a quick and easy mobility routine that you can do as part of an off day, part of your mobility routine on a day that you're not working out, or as part of your warm-up prior to your exercises. So we're going to start with the cervical spine, kind of work our way down the spine, hit the shoulders and the rest of the arm, as well as the lower extremity too. So we're going to start with the upper traps. We're going to be doing a chin tuck, like so. So you want to maintain that chin tuck. Then you're going to gently grab your head and pull towards your right shoulder. You should feel that stretch all in the upper traps along the side of the neck here. I like to maintain that chin tuck just so you're not yanking on your body. You want to make sure that you're also not hiking up your clavicle. So what you can do is put your hand behind your back like so that it keeps your clavicle in a fixed position, and you can really feel that stretch all along there. Obviously doing everything on both sides. From there, we're going to work down into the thoracic spine with a quadruped thoracic rotation. So you're going to be on all fours. If you can, you're going to sit back onto your heels. This will bias the thoracic spine a bit more. You're going to have your hand hovering behind your ears, all right, not grabbing your neck. So hovering behind the ears, bring that elbow to the opposite knee, and then elbow to the sky, rotating from that mid-back. Going to hold for 2 or 3 seconds at the top. Going for 10 repetitions on each side. From there, we're going to work our way down to the lumbar spine and do some iron crosses. So you're going to be laying on the ground, arms out to your side. You're going to bring your one leg up, cross over your body. You're going to anchor down your leg with your hand on that side, and then you're going to open up and look towards the opposite side. You should feel that stretch all in that lumbar spine along the side here. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds. Switching, just going to alternate, going to the other side, same thing. Going for 8 to 10 reps each side. From there, we're going to go into a prone cobra with a rotation. So you're going to be on your back, your chest rather, arms out to your side. So now you're bringing your foot towards the opposite hand. All right, so using the back musculature, you're kind of extending at the hip. And then from there, you're going to open up towards the ceiling. As you open up, you should feel a stretch in the chest and shoulder of the arm that's on the ground. Right back to that starting point, and then reversing. Getting both sides. Same thing, maybe hold for 2 to 3 seconds. Go for about 8 to 10 reps on each side. From there, we're going to work our way down even further to the hip flexors. We'll work the hip from a few different angles. So we're going to work the hip flexor first. It's going to be in a half kneeling position like so. So you want to start with good posture. You're going to do a posterior pelvic tilt. So to see it from a side angle, you're rotating your pelvis backwards. So you're just going to rotate. If you have tight hip flexors, you're probably going to feel it kick in right away. And then from there, to intensify that stretch, you're going to lean forward onto that front leg. You should feel that stretch all in that hip flexor, maybe into the quad a little bit as well. Holding that for 10 to 15 seconds. We're going to go 3 times each side. So that posterior pelvic tilt is going to be the key though, where you can really hone in on that area versus extending at your lumbar spine. And if you're dealing with lower back issues, this can be a little irritating doing that. So posterior pelvic tilt, shift forward, doing that on both sides. From there, we're going to go into some hip internal and external rotation. So these are 90-90 shin boxes. So you're going to be sitting down, both legs at a 90-degree bend at the knee. You're going to use your upper body for support. So good posture. All you're doing is just dropping your knees down to the ground. So one leg is going to be an internal rotation, one leg is going to be an external rotation. Good posture, and you're going to lean forward towards that externally rotated side. You should feel a stretch in that piriformis glute area of that leg. So 2 or 3 second hold. Just going to use your arms to walk yourself to the other side. Going for, same thing, 8 to 10 reps on each. From there, we're going to work the hip adductors, so the inner thigh area. So these are called adductor rockers. So you're going to be in a half kneeling position like so. Your toes are going to be pointing forwards, right, not opening up. So you're going to close off that hip, starting on all fours like so. And basically use your upper body to sit back as far as you can. As you get further into that stretch, you should feel that all along the inner thigh there. 2 or 3 second hold, coming right back out. All right, obviously doing that on both sides, 8 to 10 reps on each. And then we're going to look at the hamstring. All right, so you're going to be laying on your back, both legs straight. You're going to bring one leg up, grab underneath your knee, bring that knee towards your chest, and then you're going to straighten out from there. Should feel that stretch in the hamstring. Going to hold that for 10 to 15 seconds and relax. Shooting for maybe 5 to 6 reps. With the leg that's on the ground, make sure that you're not bending or compensating. So maybe lock that leg out and squeeze. Right back down. Then lastly, we're going to look at the calves. So we're going to do a runner stretch in 2 different positions. So you're going to be against the wall, both legs straight. So you're going to lean in one side. So the leg that's keeping the heel down, that's the leg that we're stretching. So 2 or 3 second hold. You should feel that stretch in the calves. Just going to alternate. So that's going to get one part of your calf, the gastrocnemius. So you should feel it a little higher up on the calf. The next one's going to be with the knees bent. So that's going to get the soleus muscle that's a little bit lower towards the Achilles area. So same position, but now you're going to start with both knees bent. And you're just going to, same thing. Lean in, should feel that stretch. Just going to alternate here, but keeping a bend in the knees the entire time. So it's a quick and easy full body routine that you can do to warm up prior to your workouts or on your off days. Hope it helps.